So, hello everyone. Today we are going to do a Java program to find the largest element in an array. Okay, so we have an array which consists of elements that is 1, 2, 5, 6, 3, 2. Okay, and the indices are the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so first we create a class demo. Okay, you can name the class anything like class Karan, class KP, class study like pro, anything. Okay, then we create a method. Okay, then I'm taking the method name as the method only, and I'm taking the two parameters, that is array, int array, and the int total is the number of the elements. So the total number of the elements here are 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so total elements are 6. Then I create a variable that is temp. Okay, then we will use the method that is iteration. Okay, that is for loop. Then it will go to the I equal to 0, I less than total is 6, then I plus plus. Okay, then we have int j is equal to I plus 1, j is less than total, and then j plus plus. Okay, for example, let us take this element and this element. Okay, so this is a0 and this is a1. So 0 is the index, and 1, and at 1 index it is 2, and 0 index it is 1. Okay, so basically we are taking 0 and 1. If if a0 is greater than a1. Okay, so let us check if a0 is greater than a1. So 1 is greater than 2. No, so basically it will go to the another statement. Okay, but for example, let us take if the ai is greater than aj. Okay, for example, if the ai is greater than aj, then we will store the value of the a0. Okay, value of ai into the temp variable. Okay, so basically the temp will be having ai value. Okay, then after that, the aj value will be stored into the ai, and the temp value. Okay, so the temp value has the ai value, and that will be stored into the aj. Okay, and after that, if the ai is not greater than aj. Okay, if it is not greater than aj, then it will return me the array of total minus 1. Total is 6, so 6 minus 1, that is 5. Then it will return me the last element. Okay, then in last we write public static void main string args, and the array we have taken, that is int a. So basically this bracket, okay, this bracket indicates that it is a array. It is indicating the array, and these have the elements 1 2 5 6 3 2. Then we have system.out.println, then the name of the method and the two parameters. One is the a is the name of the array, and the total is the 6. That means there are total 6 elements in the array. So this is how we find the largest element in an array. Thank you.